There's a fire burn the fire brigade. Tonight we are losing this fight. Oh, tonight.
The first snow is upon us, boys. Look at this. Oh, and 1 minute. Here we go. Oh, jeez. Wow, it's accumulating fast. The Volvo, we're going to freaking Skids for Kids, so I covered it up. But yeah, this is a little bit ridiculous. Good amount pretty quick, so we're gonna go do some, you know, some skids, of course. Some freaking snow drifting. Wow, there's a lot. This is beautiful skid weather. Is she gonna fire it up? Link these. Come on, link them, do something. Oh, it's a riot. Oh, we're silent. Wow. This is awesome. I was bummed out earlier because they salted the roads wicked fast and I didn't think the snow was going to stick, but they haven't plowed. Look at this, guys. It's awesome. Freaking wicked fun. Okay? Keep it going. You got it. We have arrived in Mexico. He's not even moving. That's a riot. It's in four-wheel, I think, now. That was pretty cool. That was a nice entry. Should we head out?
Yeah, it's too icy.
Dude, it's so slick. So this guy's stuffed in the fence, which is pretty cool. Take a right. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of...
Come on.
We got it, we got it.
What do you mean the road's closed
What's this guy doing? Look at this, it's a cluster. Let's take a walk down, eh?
No.
I don't know why I'm talking like Canadian, just snowy. I'm gonna get out for a walk. I'll get back in. I want to see what's happening. We got a blocked off road, boys. We're gonna see what's happening. Oh, there's a bunch of stuck people. Classic. It's deep so quick, guys. Oh, hella deep. Oh, everyone's just spinning. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that.
So why don't you respond when we text you or call you?
my family.
Keep going, man. Keep going.
Put it wide, put it
Get in
wide.
front of the cruiser. Don't stop the car. Get in front of mine.
Pin it, smoke the cruiser. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. This is awesome. It's fucking mayhem out here.
Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop. There you go.
And just hop in to help push.
Stay steady. All right, good luck.
Right into the trees. Hey. Close to the sidewalk.
Oh no, your truck. Oh no. We could have just ruined ourselves, but helping at the same time. Did she get around?
Yeah.
Oh, what if she just smoked it? We're back in my home compound and Angelo's peacing out. So I'm gonna go brave the blizzard here. Alright, peace out, man. The van, Jesus, bud. So, I can't decide, but I may or may not go out on the quad right now just because it's like the perfect weather, and I'll toss the GoPro on for a winter blizzard rip because this is kind of the most fun time. So yeah, I might do that. Let's do it. Alright guys, I don't really know what I'm going to include of that rip, how much of it, but I went for a long ass ride. That was almost an hour ride, so I don't know how much I'm going to put in of that, but we're done for tonight. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace! It's like midnight, by the way, so late shit, but peace!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.